Hello everyone, my name is Fernando from DH Solar, and today I received my first battery 10 kWh DH Solar. So let's unpack it. Okay, first we have this, right? We need to, with this tool, we can just like this. Let's see. Let's see. Let's put this here. So this is how you receive your battery. You have communication cable, you have the grounding cable, the positive, the negative, screws, bolts for support, your support. You can also have it with wheels and without wheels. It depends on the dealer, what the dealer they request from us. Your support. Okay, let's put it all here. One. You receive your packing list. You can check each item here and you check here if it's everything okay. If it's not okay, you can contact us and we will solve. So let's put it all here. And this, you receive this to fit your battery on the wall. You can check here. Also have instructions how to do this here. It's quite easy. Next is the battery. We will open this part now and I will show you what have in the side of the battery. So we can unpack here. You can see, you can just this part now. Finally, we finished unpacking here. Now you can see your battery fully. Now it's perfect. Let's check here. So basically what we have is here, positive, negative, the grounding here, the communication, can, in, out, reset here, you see, and on, off. So turn on, your DH battery is on and ready to use. Okay, we also have a 2.5, 5, 10, this is 10, 15 and 16 IP65. If you have any question, you can comment below. I hope you like this video. See you next time. Bye bye.